Arizona tonight on track to see fewer babies born in 2023 than previous years. New numbers tonight from the Arizona Department of Health Services shows a dramatic drop off in the number of births in the last 10 years.
Yeah, 12 News journalist Gabriela Becerra is in Scottsdale with how a declining birth rate affects the valley.
As less babies are being born each year, schools are closing, and one hospital found their maternity ward wasn't worth keeping open. Nearly 65,000 babies were born in Arizona so far this year.
For the better part of the last decade, the birth rate has declined in the state of Arizona.
And data from the Arizona Department of Health Services shows 2023 isn't expected to look much different than previous years.
It is trending lower, just like 2022.
2022 had a birth rate of 10.7, according to DHS. That's more than 36% lower than the birth rate 15 years ago.
If you go back to 2007, that was our highest birth rate year, and that was a year of 102,687 births.
Parts of the valley are feeling the impact of a declining birth rate. Honor Health Scottsdale Osborne Medical Center closed its birthing center back in June, telling 12 News the decision was made because of declining delivery volumes, a substantial reduction in obstetrical providers, and rising costs of staffing necessary specialists around the clock. An Honor Health spokesperson tells 12 News in a statement, quote, "We remain committed to serving our community and providing exceptional, high-quality maternity care. Since the Osborne closure, Honor Health says they've seen an increase in overall births at its Scottsdale, Shea, and Sonoran Crossing medical centers. Crystal Colburn, the DHS chief reporting officer, can't say why people are having less babies, but tells me there can be a number of driving factors.
Right now, we're seeing the economy take a change with inflation rates. We've had the COVID-19 pandemic over the last couple years. So those are a couple things that could definitely lead to a decline in the birth rate, in addition to other common factors such as access to medical care.
DHS says historically Arizona's birth rate is higher than the death rate, but a declining birth rate will mean an aging population, which in time will affect the death rate as well. Reporting in Scottsdale, Gabriela Becerra, 12 News.